Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're turning up the heat to celebrate reaching our 100 subscriber milestone with an exciting burger battle. But this time, I'm not doing it alone. I've got Heidi here with me.
That's right. We're going head to head to see who can create the ultimate burger. We've each got our own unique take on what makes a perfect burger, and by the end of this video, we want you to decide the winner.
So grab a seat and let the burger battle begin.
Here's what you'll need. Today, I'm coming in hot with a tropical elk burger. My burger features crispy lettuce, a juicy elk burger, classic American cheese, a slice of grilled pineapple, salty, crispy bacon, caramelized onions on a toasted brioche bun. We're going to start off by grating 2 tablespoons of butter into the ground elk. I froze the butter for 30 minutes ahead of time to make this task more manageable. Let's mix it in as best we can. This butter will help the elk meat remain nice and juicy. Next, we'll divide our meat into 4 quarter-pound portions. Now form your patties. Try to keep them on the thin side, not quite a smash burger, but not a thick burger at all. Season them generously on both sides with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Drizzle some olive oil on your patties. Flip them and season the other side. Drizzle this side with olive oil as well.
Now, it's my turn. I'll show you what a real burger is all about. Today, I've decided to go with a classic blue cheese and bacon burger. This burger has a thick seasoned patty loaded with onions, a surprise ingredient, as well as crispy bacon and melty blue cheese, all on a toasted brioche bun. If you're a fan of big flavors, this one's for you. We're going to start off by finely dicing up half of a small onion, and we'll add it to our ground chuck mixture. Season well with salt and pepper. And now for that secret ingredient, barbecue sauce. We'll add about half a cup. Now we'll mix together all those ingredients until they are well combined. Now we'll divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and form them into patties that are about a ½ inch thick.
I've got to make some caramelized onions. Let's start this by slicing up 2 onions. I've also got to cook some bacon, so let's put that on now. Looks like our bacon is crispy and ready. We'll take some of that bacon grease to use for our caramelized onions. Toss those onions in and let them start cooking. I like to put a tablespoon of honey in there to help the onions break down faster. Looks like they're soft and ready to go. Now to make some honey mustard sauce. We'll do this by combining 4½ teaspoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, and ½ teaspoon of hot sauce. Give it all a vigorous stir.
I'll be using that leftover bacon grease to cook the patties in. Since they are a little thicker, we'll let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side to get that perfect cook. Once they are nicely browned, gently flip them over in the pan. Top generously with your blue cheese crumbles and cover to let the cheese melt. Cook until your cheese melts, about another 3 to 4 minutes more. Then remove from heat and let it rest.
Time to cook these bad boys up. We'll give it another hit of olive oil and then onto a searing hot grill. You're going to want to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Flip those burgers over and let the grill do its thing. When they're done, move them over to a low temp part of the grill so they can stay warm. Now let's grill up those pineapple slices. You can use fresh pineapple, but I find canned pineapple has much less bite. After a few minutes, flip them over. Look at those lovely grill marks. Now place a slice of American cheese on each patty and let it melt. Looks good to me. Go ahead and remove your pineapple as well. Now I've got to toast up my buns. Let's drizzle them with some olive oil and get them on that grill. A minute or so later, and these are done.
While the meat is cooking, I'm going to prep my buns with some softened butter for toasting. I'm going to pop it onto a hot grill for a couple of minutes to get them toasted. Once they are lightly toasted, remove from heat.
Now the moment I've been waiting for, building that burger. I'll start off by putting a spoonful of that honey mustard on each bun. Then I'll swirl it around in a circle like this. I saw some folks at Five Guys Burgers doing it like that. Now I'm gonna lay on my lettuce. On goes my patty with melted cheese. Next layer is that grilled pineapple. Now I'm gonna hit up each burger with a couple strips of bacon. And my favorite part, caramelized onions right over the top. Close it up, and this bad boy is ready to be demolished.
Now for the fun part, putting it all together. Let's start by spreading a tablespoon of mayo on the bottom bun. Next comes the fresh, crisp lettuce. And now we'll add our juicy blue cheese topped patty. Then comes that crispy bacon to finish it all off. Finally, we're going to place that top bun, and it is ready to be enjoyed.
Burgers are ready, and now comes the best part, tasting them. We'll each take a bite of our own creation, and then swap and see what we think. Here goes. Really good.
Wow, can't beat that combo of blue cheese and bacon.
Now it's your turn to try out my creation.
Oh wow, nice surprise in there. The pineapple, that's very different, but delicious.
I knew mine would be good. But we're not the only judges here. We want to know what you think. Drop a comment below and tell us which burger you'd crown the winner.
Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the Outdoor Food Project. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time for more delicious battles.
I think I like this one better. I like burger one more. Good. Burger one.
Wait, this one's actually a lot better. I love this one. I like burger 2 more.